Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Protein domains can look messy, but this one breaks fast if you track which domain handles binding, interaction, and activation, then match G with M. Start by reading the table for each domain's job. The data shows some domains bind DNA, some help proteins interact, and others activate transcription, so each function must be assigned separately. Next, focus on domain G. From the tested combinations, G is required for protein-protein interaction, but it does not provide DNA binding or transcriptional activation by itself, which narrows the outcome hard. Then check domain M. M contains the transcriptional activation role, so pairing G with M still gives interaction from G, but not DNA binding. Well done! Option D. Scan now. Don't rush the signs, trust the given results, and check each step before choosing the function.